All right, we want to tell whether the following relations are functions or not functions. Now remember, that means to be a function for each x, there can only be one y for every x. So in other words, when I plug an x into a problem, I only expect to get one answer. So let's look. On problem 1, I got to turn the pen on first, might help us. Problem 1, when x is 2, you get an answer back of 3. When x is 3, you get an answer back of 4. When you plug in 4, you get 5 back. And when you plug 5 in, you get 6 back. So every time I plugged in a different x. So it wasn't like I plugged in the same x and got a different answer. So yes, this is a function. Okay. I should say function. Because for each x, there was only one y that came out. Now, it happened that I only plugged in a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. Now, notice on the next one, let's see. I plug in a 4, I get a 5. Did I plug in a 4 anywhere else and get a different answer? No. I plugged in a 7, I got an 8. Did I plug in 7 anywhere else? No. Plugged in a 10, got an answer of -2. Didn't plug 10 in anywhere else, and then you plugged a -2 in. So yes, this is a function too. And finally, notice this one. Notice this time when I plugged in a 5, I got a 6, but also when I plugged in a 5, I got what? A -3. You can't plug in x being 5 and get an answer of 6 and an answer of -3. That means no, that is not a function. So for every x, you can only get one y value out. And in this one, when we plugged in 5, we got 2 different answers out. That means it is not a function.